Hey everybody, Charlie with Russ Darrow Kia Waukesha here. I'm going to compare two vehicles that we have on our lot here, a GT Line Forte and an EX Carnival, showing the difference between a family-suited vehicle and a single-life vehicle. And here's a look at the front of the Forte here. I love how those headlights run all the way into the front fender. That Kia badging up front as well, and that red trim underneath on the grille is super sharp. Here's the Moroni sticker on the vehicle showing 32 miles per gallon combined and 25,580 for an MSRP. And here's a look at the back of the vehicle here. I love that look on the underneath as well. And actually the turning signals are down on each side of the corner as well. Tons of cargo room in the back, and you see the all-weather liner that will be installed at the time of delivery, along with the GT Line signature wheels that don't come on any other vehicle. And this is also a push to start, guys. So there's the push to start, turns on, 8-inch infotainment center. Here's the climate control settings and the cup holders here as well. A decent amount of space here in the center console, and I love the trim on these seats here as well, and you can see the GT line showing there as well. And lastly, I just wanted to show you guys, I have plenty of room in the back here. I'm completely comfortable. And moving on to our Carnival here, our family unit, you can see that tiger nose front grille with that Kia signature headlights, again, that extend into that fender. Super sharp look on the multi-purpose vehicle here, our EX Carnival. And then moving on to the side view of the Carnival here, I'm going to zoom in on the Moroni sticker again on this one. 22 miles per gallon combined with that MSRP of 41,215 on this guy. And here's a look at the wheels on the EX Carnival trim level, 19 inches. And a look at the interior portion of this guy. There's the steering wheel, upgraded infotainment center. There's the cup holders, the climate control settings, and heated seats on this one as well, with different settings of how hot you can keep the seat. There is the center console, more spacious. And here's a look at the leather seating on this 8-passenger Carnival. And now with the power liftgate open here, you can see there's the setting up top there to automatically open it. Plenty of space in the back as is. I removed the all-weather floor mats that will be installed at the time of delivery. I'm also going to show you guys how easy it is to move both of these seats down. With both of the back row down and the second row still in, there's 87 cubic feet. And then with that second row removed entirely, there's 145 cubic feet of space here, and it's super easy to remove those as well. Really quick one to show you guys USB ports and cup holders in the third row as well. Now I'm in the second row here, closing that door. Here's the cup holders up front. More cup holders right here, and with a tray for snacks there in the middle. I wanted to show you guys what the third row looks like when it's up there from the second row view. And there it is. Wanted to show you guys one more look at the Forte and the Carnival on our lot. We have a whole lot of Fortes on our lot, only a couple Carnivals right now. If you guys would like to set up an appointment on any of these vehicles, contact us here at 262-444-5445. Otherwise, thanks. Take care. We'll see you guys soon.